We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass when you see that the copied document has any streaks of line across it. But first, let us do a copy job using the flatbed scan glass. So this is the document that we want to copy. Let's place it on the scan glass. We'll do a copy, a document, and let's do a color copy. So this is the copied document, and it is the same as the original. Next, we will do a copy from the ADF. Let's take the original document and place it in the ADF as shown. And likewise, we will do a copy document in color. So the copied document, as you can see over here, using the ADF, there's a line across this copied document. So it is evident that the ADF copy has got an issue as compared to the flatbed copy. So this is the original that I just picked from the ADF. So let us show you how to resolve this issue. Open up the scan glass lid. Over here, where I'm pointing is where the ADF scanner glass is, and as you can see here, we intentionally put a piece of debris on the scanner glass, and that is what is causing this line that you see over here, exactly where the document goes through to be copied. So to resolve this, we simply need to remove this from the scanner glass. So we are using this as an example. It can be some dirt that is on the scanner glass. So we'll remove this. Take note that you can use some solvent. So what I normally do is I will use the same solvent that I use to clean my spectacles. So I'll just spray a little bit over here and use a lint-free cloth to clean. So after cleaning the scanner glass strip, let us do a copy again using the ADF. So this is the original document, and we will place it into the ADF. We'll do a copy, document, and a color copy. So this is the copied document, and as you can see, there's no more lines across the copied document. And this is the sample that has got a line running across it right over here. So this is how you remove any lines from your copied document, especially when using the ADF. Note that this can also happen on the scan glass. If the scan glass is dirty or there's any speck of dirt on the scan glass. And likewise, you can use the light solution, a non-alcohol solution, to clean the scan glass.